Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this very quick eyeshadow tutorial. So using my black kohl pencil from Mirac Cosmetics, I'm going to go ahead and do my tight line. I'm also going to do my waterline as well. Then using the same pencil, I'm going to go ahead and line my eyelid just slightly and extend it a little on the outer corners. Then using a smudger brush, I'm going to go ahead and smudge out that liner both on my lower eyelid and also on the upper part of my eyes. Once again, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. And if it's your first time here, you're super duper welcome. Do well to join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button below. I'm Chinonso Okoronko, a bridal hairstylist and makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. And on here, I film about all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Next, I'm going to be going into a black eyeshadow, and I'll just use that to smudge that black eyeliner some more and smoke it out just a little bit. I'll do the same thing I'm doing on the top of my eyes. I'll do the same thing on the lower part of my eyes as well. Going into another smudger brush, I'm going to go ahead and pick a dark brown shade from my it's not Boats Blush Cosmetics the powder, and I'm using that shade called Cola. I'm just go ahead to apply that on top of that brown, on top of the black I had applied earlier, and just use that to smudge out the black liner. So that brown didn't give me the intensity I want. I went into my V Beauty powder palette and picked the darkest shade there. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that exactly where I just placed the previous brown, right? I'll just smudge that onto that area and also apply it on my under eye as well. Next, I'll be going into my Lady V powder in the shade maroon, and I'll be using this pencil brush. I'm going to pick that color, that shade, and just put that right on top of the, not exactly on top, but I move my hand upwards, right? I'm just going to apply that after the dark brown shade that I've just applied. So because this pencil is not doing it for me, I went into a more fluffier brush. I don't know if that's correct, but I went into this fluffy blending brush that is not so big, all right? And I'm using the same the same V Beauty powder in maroon. I'm just going to apply that on my crease and also use that to smudge out the colors I've blended in my lower line. So this is me just going back into the black eyeshadow, and I just went back into the area where I had applied black before, just because I feel like you know I've lost some of the black colors while blending out that brown. So I went back both on top of my eyelid and also in my waterline area. Right, once I was done with that, I went back into the brush I used for my brown. I picked up that brown from my Lady V Beauty palette, the very dark one, and I went right on top of the black. This is just me emphasizing everything I've done before, right? Next, I went into my Fenty Beauty highlighters. I picked up those gorgeous shimmery colors, and I just popped that in my tear duct area just to make that area pop some more and open up my eyes. I did go in with my pencil liner in my waterline, and then I popped on my lashes off camera. And you guys, this is the finished look. I think this look is so pretty. It's very simple, it's very soft. If you're looking to go for a something dark but not too dark, right? This is it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.